Hi mga kanayan, so this is Aurelio Isip and welcome to Isip Nayan. So for today's topic, we will talk about the solving the motion problem. This is a uniform motion. So let's start. Okay, problem number 1. No? If Junel in his motorboat took 3 hours to make a downstream trip with a current of 6 km per hour, the return trip upstream took 5 hours. What is the speed of the boat in still water? Then what is the total distance traveled? No? So ito yung may boat daw si Junel, no? Nasa boat si Junel. Then pag sinabi nating downstream, no? Sa stream, no? Pababa siya. Pero hindi man ibig sabihin ng pababa, no? Parang along with the current, no? Siyempre, kapag kasama mo yung current, mas madali ka makakapunta, no, sa patutunguhan mo, no. So ang nakalagay dito, ang given dito, yung current daw, no, 6 km per hour yung dagdag sa speed ng boat, no. So from si Junel yung boat niya, no, so pupunta siya sa kabila, yung current is 6 km per hour, no, downstream. Dun yung tinatawag na downstream. 3 hours siya nakapunta dun, no? Then, pabalik naman, syempre, pag pabalik ka, mas mahihirapan yung bangka o yung boat, no? Mas mahihirapan siya, yung motorboat. So, yung kanyang bilis, no? Hindi ka kagad makakapunta ron sa pinuntahan mo, no? From this point A. Kasi, upstream, no? Ibig sabihin, against the current. So, ibig sabihin, no? Kalaban mo yung current, so mababawasan yung time mo para makapunta dito sa another sa pabalik kung saan ka nagpunta. So ayun yung ating problem. So again, no, how to solve this problem is we going to follow 4 steps: defining variables, thought process, the system of equation, and the last is solve, no? So solve natin. So first is, let's define the variables, no? So let R, yung R, no? Yung speed ng boat. Yung bilis ng boat ni Junel, no? Yun yung hahanapin natin, no? Let R be the speed of the boat in still water. When you say still water, no? Yung parang wala siyang current, no? Hindi kasama yung current, no? Hindi katulong yung current, no? Yung water sa stream, hindi katulong. So, what is the speed of boat, no, ni Junel? And then, let D be the distance covered in making a downstream trip. No, ano yung distance niya from this point to this point, from point A to point B? Ayun yung i-let natin as D. Then, 2D, when you say 2D, no, twice the distance. Kasi, aalamin natin, no, what is the total distance traveled? So, from point A to point B, babalik siya ng point B to point A. What is the total distance traveled? Nagets ba? Okay. Now, ito naman tayo sa thought process. Sa thought process nito, no? So, downstream, alam natin na ang distance is equivalent to rate times time. No? Distance equivalent to rate times time. So, thought process natin, no? Downstream distance equals sa downstream na rate, then multiply it by the downstream, yung time niya ng downstream. Ulitin ko, distance, no, distance ng downstream equals sa distance ng rate, then distance ng time, then upstream, no, is equivalent to distance upstream equals to upstream ng rate, then upstream ng time, i-multiply mo yan. So, ayan yung ating thought process. And then, kailangan din natin punuan yung table na to para sa ating guide, no? So, alam natin na ito yung direction, distance, rate, time. No? Distance equals rate times time. Alam natin yan sa science, no? Then, downstream and upstream. I-complete lang natin yung table. So, this is the distance sa downstream tsaka distance sa upstream, no? And then, dahil downstream siya, pababa, no? O di kaya along with the current, no? May katulong kasama ng current. So, i-let natin yung R. Sabi natin R as the rate of the boat. So, plus 6. Bakit plus 6? Kasi yung current niya ay 6 km per hour. So, yung rate, yung bilis ng bangka, madadagdagan ng 6 km per hour, no? And then, sa downstream naman, syempre, pag pabalik, mapabawasan siya ng 6. So, R minus 6. Diba? So, makakalaban niya na yung current, no? Against na siya sa current. Naintindihan ba? Naintindihan ba? Okay. So, next is the time, no? So, sa downstream, pababa, siya ay nakakover ng 3 hours, no? And then, sa upstream naman, meron siyang 6 hours. Yan ang ating tatandaan. Yung ating table. Okay, napunta na tayo sa step number 3, which is the system of equation. So, alam natin na from point A to point B, the same ang distance niya, no? Downstream, tsaka yung upstream, yung pabalik, from point B to point A. So, the same ang distance niya. Alam natin na ang distance equals rate times the time. So, ibig sabihin, no? Ang system natin yan, so distance equals the rate. Downstream muna to. The rate is R plus 6 kasi kasama niya, no, yung current. Times natin sa time, which is 3 hours. Ganun din naman kabila, no, upstream. So, R minus 6, no, kasi against na siya, times the ilang hours siya, no, 5 hours. So, ito yung ating system of equation. So, dahil the same ang kanilang distance, no? So, D equals D. So, D equals D. So, ano ba yung D natin? So, R plus 6. Ito yung D natin. Isang D natin, no? Times 3 equals R minus 6 times 5. So, magkakaroon tayo ng distributive property. So, ang distributive property, no? Di-distribute lang natin yung mga yan. So, okay, after natin ma-distribute, no, yung ating time, so, ang mangyayari dyan, no, ito ay magiging 3R plus 18 equals 5R minus 30, no? Kasi 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. So, ang gagawin natin, no? Sa kaliwa yung mga letters o may mga variables. Tapos sa kanan naman yung mga constant or numbers. So, 3R minus 5R equals negative 30. Hindi natin ilipat yung negative 30. Ilipat natin yung 18. So, magiging negative 18, no? Pasensya na kayo sa aso. Okay. So, negative 3R minus 5R is negative 2R equals negative 48. Then, we will divide negative 2 para R na lang matitira. Then, negative 2. So, cancel to. So, R will be positive 24. So, ito yung rate ng boat ni Junel, no? Yan yung rate ng boat, 24 kilometers per hour, no? So, ngayon, ang next question is, what is the total distance traveled, no? From point A to point B and point B to point A. So, kukuha tayo rito ng equation kahit alin dito sa dalawa. So, distance, ito ang equation number 1. So, distance is R, which is, what is our R? 24 plus 6 times 3, no? So, distance becomes 24 plus 6 is 30 times 3. So, the distance, no, downstream is 90 yung kanyang distance. And then, ang hinahanap natin ay yung total, no? So, yung balikan. So, buti pa dito may balikan, no? So, distance, so, 2D, kaninang ninify natin na variable, 2D is equivalent to 2 times what is our D, which is 90. So, 90. So, total distance traveled is 180 kilometers. No? So, 180 kilometers yung 2D natin. So, nagets ba? So, let's go to problem number 2. Problem number 2, no? Flying with the wind. So, Haribon, alam natin ang Haribon, no? Our Philippine Eagle, no? Manage a speed of 90 kilometers per hour, but flying against the wind of only half the speed. It only made 30 kilometers per hour. Find the speed of the wind and the Haribon's rate of flying when there is no wind. So, papaintindi ko lang sa inyo to, no? So, meron daw ang ating Haribon, no? Agila, no? So, flying with the wind, ibig sabihin, no? Along, no? Kasama niya, no? Siyempre, makakatulong sa kanya paglipad, no? Yung speed ng eagle, tsaka yung speed rate, no? Rate ng hangin, makakatulong sa kanya, siyempre, along with the wind, nakaka-ano daw siya, no? Ang bilis daw ng ibon, ng ibon is 90 kilometers per hour, no? Kasi kasama niya sa yung hangin, no? No, parang naitutulak siya nito eh. So, yun daw yung number 1 natin, no? Yung ating thought. So, susunod naman, no? Ang sabi rito, pag against naman siya sa wind, sa lakas ng wind, kapag against naman, kunyari, ito yung wind, yung agila, against naman. So, na bumabagal to, no? Yung kalahati, no? Yung kalahati ng lakas ng hangin, no? Yung kalahati ng lakas ng hangin na to ay pinapabagal ang Haribon o ang ating Philippine Eagle. And then, ang rate na lang ng ibon na to is 30 kilometers per hour. So, ang hahanapin natin dito is number 1. What is the rate of wind? Gaano ba kalakas yung hangin, no? Gaano ba kabilis, no? And then next is what is the Haribon's rate, no? Pati yung ibon, hahanapin din natin yung rate ng ibon habang siya ay lumilipad. So, let's define the variable, no? So first, let W be the speed of wind. Ayan ang hanapin natin, no? Kung gaano kabilis yung hangin. And then H be the Haribon's rate in still air. When you say still air, no, wala siyang katulong na hangin, basta sa kanya lang, no? Ayun yung ating hahanapin, pangalawang hahanapin natin. So, let's go to step number 2. So, step number 2 naman, no? Thought process. So, ano nakalagay dito, no? So, the Haribon's rate in still air plus the speed of the wind, no? Yung tumutulong sa kanya. Yung ibon, yung rate niya, yung wind, no? Equals sa 90 kilometers per hour. 90 siya, no? Yung bilis niya. Bilis ng lipad niya, 90. Kasi may katulong na hangin. Ngayon naman, pag against naman, no? So, the Haribon's rate in still air minus the 1/2 of the speed of the wind, no? Ayun nga, nababawasan nga ng kalahati, no? Equals the 30. So, nagiging 30 na lang yung bilis ng ibon kasi nga against siya sa wind. Naiintindihan niyo ba? Okay, yeah, that is our thought process. So, let's go to step number 3, which is the system of equations. So, sa system of equation, alam natin na ang Haribon's rate plus the wind equals 90. No? 90 siya. Then, the Haribon's rate minus the 1/2 of the speed rate ng wind is equivalent to 30. So, ayan yung ating system of equation. So, lilinisin muna natin, no, yung ating equation number 2. So, this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. So, alam natin na may fraction, no? 1/2. So, para mawala yung fraction na yan, no, ang gagawin natin yan is i-multiply natin lahat itong equation number 2 kung ano man yung denominator ng fraction na yan, which is ito nga, no? At 2 yung denominator niya. So, ang gagawin natin, no? Multiply natin to ng 2. Ang buo na to, equation number 2 to, multiply natin ng 2. So, magiging 2h minus, no? So, distribute 2h. Ito naman, magiging 2 times 1 is 2, divide 2, magiging 1 na lang siya kasi 2 divide 2 is 1. So, magiging W na lang siya. Makakancel yan. Then, equal siya sa 60. So, yan yung ating parang equation number 3. So, kung mapapansin natin, balik tayo sa equation number 1. No? Pwede natin itong gawing yung equation number 1. No? So, H, pwede natin yung i-equate as H lang. No? So, H, so lipat natin sa kabila yung W. So, magiging H is equivalent to negative W plus 90. So, mayroon na tayong H, no? Which is negative W plus 90. So, ang gagawin natin dito is isa-substitute natin dito sa nakuha nating equation na to, no? Yung H, so magiging 2. What is H? Negative W plus 90 minus W equals 60. So, ang nangyayari dyan ay tama ang hula nyo, distributive property. So, magagamit talaga yung distributive property na yun. So, distribute. So, negative 2W, no, plus 180 kasi 2 times 90 is 180. Then, minus W equals 60. So, negative W tas negative 2W tas negative W. So, magkakaroon ka, no? Adding like terms. So, negative 3W equals 60 to, no? Hindi natin lilipat yan. Ito yung lilipat natin, which is the 180. Pag nilipat natin doon is magiging negative 180, no? So, negative 3W equals 60 minus negative 180 is negative 120. And then, divide both side by negative 3 para makancel to, no? Mawala yan. Ang mangyayari dyan, no? W, so W equals yan sa negative 120 divided by negative 3 is positive 40. So, ito yung yung rate ng wind, kung gaano kabilis, no, o kalakas yung ating hangin na tumutulong sa ibon. No, ngayon, ano yung rate naman ng ibon, which is the H. So, makikita natin yung H from the equation number 1, no? Ito na lang, no? H. So, ibig sabihin, the H is negative 40, kasi W is 40, plus 90. So, H is negative 40 plus 90 is 50 kilometers per hour. So, ganon kabilis yung haribon kapag nasa still air, no? Walang katulong na hangin. Yung hangin natin ay 40. So, that's all, no? So, sana may natutunan kayo, no? Don't forget to like, then subscribe. Tapos share natin sa iba, sa mga nangangailangan ng ganitong mga topic at kaalaman. So, that's all, no? Salamat. So, good luck, soldier!